I am using Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. First, apply amethyst above the eye crease. Focus on the outer V of the lid, make sure it's saturated in color and blend the rest of the color inward. Apply more eyeshadow to slowly build up the color. Blend the edges using a clean blending brush to soften the edges of your eyeshadow. Next, create a half arch on the lid using a concealer. Place a dot on the center of the lid and then look up. This technique will help you find where to cut your crease with concealer. Be very patient when drawing your cut crease. Make sure the edges are sharp and clean. Blend the end of your cut crease using your finger. Apply twilight inside the cut crease and slowly build the color as much as you desire. Apply Royal at the end of the cut crease as a transition color and make sure to blend this in very well. You don't want to see where you ended that concealer. Apply Royal on the lower lash line. This will balance your eye makeup look, prevent you looking like you have too much eyeshadow on top of your lids. Slowly draw your precise glitter line on top of the cut crease like so. Beautiful. Apply cashmere on the inner corners of the eyes to brighten up your eye look. Draw a wing liner. Draw your preferred style of wing liner that you are very comfortable with. Here I am going for a dramatic cat eye liner because I feel like this suits the look. Curl your lashes and apply your favorite mascara on top and the bottom of your lashes. So moving on to your fake lashes, first apply lash glue on the band of the fake lashes and then leave until the glue is tacky. And then when the glue is finally tacky, apply the fake lashes as close to the natural lash line as possible. And voila, you're finished.